First, you want to start off by getting your poster board. You want to cut it diagonally where you have two triangles, and you're going to have two poster boards. You're going to do this too. So once you cut them, you're going to tape each side of them together so you can make a triangle. Then you're going to put them together, one inside the other. Make sure the top is connected to each other, and then you're going to cut the base of the triangle so you can make like a tower. As you can see, you're going to need some scissors to cut along. So you want to make sure you get a straight line, but again, we're going to have a second cut after this. So you want to cut along the crease. So basically you're going to have two triangles, okay? Make sure they're evenly cut together. Now place them inside of one another, because this is going to create the thickness. So now you're going to get your Scotch tape and you're going to tape the bottom. So you're going to have two pieces that you're going to tape together. And you're going to do that all the way around. Now that you have the bottom done, you're going to do the sides. So you're going to tape the sides together as well. Now you can tape this long way, but I just did it, side to side. Once you have taped them, you want to fold it from the middle, and then you're going to cut again so you can get your nice tree stand or tower. Cut along the lines, and there you have it. Stand it up to make sure that it is stable. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get your ring from the dollar store. You're going to place your tower on it. You're going to make sure that your tower is more round. So you go between each crease and fold. See, as you have it here. Then what we're going to do from there, we're going to take our Scotch tape and we're going to tape the bottom of the tower to the wreath stand. You're going to take your flowers that you picked out. And these are all I got from the dollar store. So any ornaments, flowers, or garland that you want, pick your colors. And as you see, I have red and green garland. So also they had little tree branches and they had some jingle bell balls. So we're going to get our flowers and we're going to cut the flowers, leaving a nice amount of stem. We're going to do the same with the branches, the silver branches. So you're going to want to take your flower, you're going to want to bend it at the base of the flower. Just bend it slightly, and then you're going to get some Scotch tape and you're going to tape from the top and then you're going to tape at the bottom as well so it doesn't move. You can also shape your flower as you go along. Now I was trying to do diagonally, but then I end up moving some flowers around, but this is what we have right here. So now we're going to take our silver branches and we're going to place them in between the open spots and we're going to tape it with Scotch tape. We're going to do the same thing how we place the flowers. So this is what I got so far. Now it's time to place the garland. You want to start at the top. So you take your tape, you start at the top, and then you work your way in between the garland. In between the flowers. And look, I placed the bells on as well, and this is what I got. So I didn't have enough flowers, but you want to make sure you buy enough flowers because you can see I have a couple open spots. So I will fill those in. And you want to get a nice flower or ornament for the top as well, but you also want to make sure that you have enough garland so you don't see any white spots from the cardboard or poster board. So as I turn it around, you see this is my end result.